Hello guys and welcome. So in this video we are going to create sign up or registration view for our Django CRM project. In the previous video we have learned about Django Crispy form. So in this video we are going to use that Django Crispy form which we have installed in our system. On my website I have explained how to do that. So let's get started. Open your text editor and go to the commons views. We are going to keep our login, registration, password, forgot password, everything in common because this one is common for every user. So we'll keep these in our commons app. Okay, and note we are going to try to use always class based views. So let's create a sign up view. So class sign up view, and in view we are going to keep create view. So first we need to import it, so it is in generic views, so create view. Okay, and here we'll add the create view. Now these are the create view. There are create view, update view, delete view, which is automatically given by Django. These are the class based views, so we don't need to write code for those. Okay, now we'll import class form is equal to and the form name. So first we'll create a form. So go to the common app and in that we'll create one file named forms.py and hit enter. We'll create a form here. Then we are going to import these like first form, then user model, because we are going to use user model. So we need to import user model and the user creation form. This is the inbuilt form given by Django. Okay, now we'll create a form class sign up form, and in that we'll give user creation form. Okay, class meta model will be user because we are using user model. Then fields, what fields we want in our form, so we'll keep it in list. So these fields we want in our form. Now let's suppose we don't want our user to fill first name, last name compulsory. We can add this code. So this code says like the length is 30, required is false, so we are giving required as false, and we are giving text as optional, help text. So this will tell the user that these are optionals. And in here we are also given the email field, and in email we have given enter a valid email address. Our sign up form has been created. So let's go again to views and we'll import sign up view. So here from forms import sign up form, then we'll give the form class as sign up form. Okay, now we need to tell the create view after successful submitting the form where to go. So we'll give the success URL as, and we'll import one reverse lazy. We'll import reverse lazy, which will help to dynamically find the URL name and successfully redirect to it. So in the previous videos we have given URL name home as name as home, so we'll copy that one, and here reverse lazy and in brackets quotes home. Okay, the main thing we have to give the template. So template name is equal to common / register.html. Now let's save this one and let's create a register.html. So in SB template we have created one register HTML code. So we'll copy this and we'll create a template in commons with the name register.html. Now if you see the register, we can see here our register is looking like this. The template is looking like this. So what we'll do, first we'll import the static. So after successfully loading the static files, now here this is the main thing. Okay, now we don't need these HTML code. We'll remove this one Here we'll give the method as post. Submitting a form with method post, we need to give the CSRF token. If we are not giving this, we will be getting CSRF token. This is somewhat for cross-site. Now we can load the form also. So by default Django has form name as form, okay, and then we'll give a or sign and crispy because we want to use crispy form. Okay, now everything is done. Now we need to create the URL. So go to the urls.py in CRM main. So first we need to import it. So sign up view, okay, because our view name is sign up view. Then we'll give the path and the registration name is register, okay. Then sign up form dot as view, and in that name is equal to register. So we are done. Okay, we'll go to the, so let's refresh it. Before refreshing, let's see our terminal, and here we are getting one error. Okay, so this error is somewhat for this one. Okay, it's not field, it's fields. Save one and let's see. Okay, it's not refreshing. Let's rerun again it, and here we are not getting any error. So let's refresh this one also. Okay, now everything is working fine. So we'll go to register. Okay, once more we are getting error, template syntax error. Okay, so this error I know what it is. Here we are using crispy form, but we are not loading it. So we'll load it. Load crispy forms tag and save this one. Now let's see if everything is working fine. Let's refresh it, and here we are done. Our successful registration form has been created. I am very happy. Okay, now we'll do one thing. We'll register. Here we are seeing two users, admin and sample user. Let's create one. After filling the form, let's submit it. And here we have submitted the form and we have successfully redirected to home page. And let's see the user. Let's refresh this one. Yeah, hooray, our user has been created. And let's see the user profile of that one, and this one is created for Joseph. Okay, now you can see this button. So let's make it work. So let's go to the template where it is saved, like it is saved in common home. Okay, and in home what we'll do, we'll remove this hash and instead of hash load the URL, and the name of the URL is register. Save this one and let's refresh it, and this button will take us to register form. And one more thing, here we are seeing profile objects. So what we can do, we can do one modification. We can do one thing here in profile. We can add this code. This will return the first name and the last name. Here we have to do some modification, like its users object. Save this one and let's refresh this one. You can see it. So in this video we have created registration form for our Django CRM project. In the next video we are going to create login logout system for our Django CRM project. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.